Starting afresh. Understanding, make a clean slate. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's often used in the English language. Make a clean slate. Whether you're learning English as a second language or you're just curious about idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. We'll explore the meaning, origin, and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of this intriguing expression. Make a clean slate refers to the idea of starting over, forgetting past mistakes or failures, and moving forward without any baggage. Imagine wiping a chalkboard clean so you can write on it afresh. That's the essence of making a clean slate. It's about giving yourself or others a chance to begin again, free from any previous errors or judgments. The phrase, make a clean slate, has its roots in history. Originally, it comes from the days when slate boards were used in schools and pubs to keep track of scores or tabs. When debts were settled or a new term started, the slate would be wiped clean, indicating a fresh start. This physical action of clearing the slate has since become a powerful metaphor for beginning anew in life. Using "make a clean slate" in your conversations can add depth and emotion, especially when talking about reconciliation, forgiveness, or new beginnings. Here are a few examples. After a disagreement, you might say, "Let's make a clean slate and move past this." At the start of a new year, I'm making a clean slate with my habits and goals. When forgiving someone, I believe in giving people a chance to make a clean slate. There are several variations of the phrase that carry a similar meaning, such as, start with a clean slate, or wipe the slate clean. Each of these expressions emphasizes the action of removing past errors or burdens to start fresh. Understanding and using the phrase, make a clean slate, can enrich your English communication, allowing you to express concepts of forgiveness, renewal, and fresh starts with nuance and depth. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and inspired you to incorporate it into your conversations. Remember, it's never too late to make a clean slate in any aspect of your life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon.